So now you don't got to record it on your phone.
I haven't had to record it on my phone, baby. We got a new thing like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Well,
That's a Nick.
no, it's
Can I
not.
have your tripod?
No.
Oh, nice. That's what
Because I need it when I record stuff at home for y'all. On the nights I remember to. Not lately. Alright, so we are going to talk about one solution first and what it looks like. Now, you guys know what one solution means. That's where they cross. It's where you get an answer. So we're going to graph our first one.
Oh, snap.
Oh, snap.
I'm on the wrong one.
Alright, so one solution. Let's graph this first one. I'm going to graph it in blue. And then I'm going to graph this one in orange. Alright, so for the blue one, what would I do first when I'm graphing this? Up 3 and put a dot. And then what would I do? 1, 2, 3. I can't. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, left 1. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, left 1. Now the reason I'm going down and left is because I don't have enough room to go up and right. Alright, now this guy is not in slope-intercept form, so how would we solve this guy for y?
Subtract x on both sides.
And our equation would be y equals negative x minus 2. Alright, so with minus 2, do we go up first, down first, left first, right first?
Down.
Down how many?
2.
And then?
Left 1.
Down 1, left
Down 1, left 1.
Down 1,
Right
right
one.
1.
Down 1. Oh.
Because it's negative. But if I keep going down and to the right, I'm never going to hit. So what do I need to do?
Go up.
Go up and to the
Right.
left. Alright, so what's that solution?
Negative 1, negative 1.
Okay, so let's write it over here on our graph portion. So that's what you're going to do on each time. You're going to put them in slope-intercept form. You're going to graph. Then you're going to prove that using substitution. So you're going to prove that we have one solution by solving by substitution down here. So let's rewrite our system.
What do we... Okay, yeah.
Now, substitution means you plug in, you replace, and you need to look for the variable that's by itself. So which variable is solved and by itself?
Y.
And what does y equal? What was your question, Peyton? Paola, did you have a question? Okay. Alright, so put a box around 4x plus 3. Now, what are we going to replace y with? 4x plus 3. If it was a freaking Oreo, we would replace it with a freaking Oreo. I know, I said it like 75 times, and I still got kids confused. Yes.
So, that would be x. You see where...
That wasn't a point in that?
You see where it has, like, where it says x plus, like, right there, where it says x plus y, and you, like, plug in the 4x plus 3. Both the 4 is negative, but you keep that plus.
You would write x minus 4x.
So you want to put, like, x plus 4x.
You can just write minus. Alright, so we have x plus, now what does y equal? What did we say y equal?
4x plus 3
4x plus 3
is equal to negative 2.
is equal to negative 2. Does everybody see where we got that from?
Yes.
Are we sure?
Yes.
Does anybody not see? Not Nazi. Not see. Patrick. Alright, Alright, now we combine like terms. Stop it. What is, stop, Patrick, stop. You're going to get me on another tangent, stop. Alright, what's x plus 4x? Alright, get it together over there.
Thank you. Sneeze. I gotta do it again. Hold on. Somebody get some tissue. Okay. Okay, we keep going.
Alright, what would we do? I wasn't stopping for you, I was stopping so people could write. We would subtract 3, so 5x would equal what?
Negative 8.
Alright, now what would we, ham sandwich.
Wait, hold on. It's the Girl, I sneezed. You gotta go slow down. So you plug it in. 4x.
X is
No, 4
the top
times
problem.
negative 1 plus 3. Sit down there. So it's negative. Negative 4 plus 3. I need to write out equals negative 1. Oh my god.
No, I asked for a point and she didn't give me one. Did you say we can get a point?
He can get a point because he did the problem.
I did do the problem. I've been done with the problem.
You've been done with the problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get the right thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can have a point.
Yes.
Anybody else been done with the problem? Then your table can have a point.
Yeah, you been done. You been done. That's 2 points.
No, that's not how it works. Now, we got -1, -1 for graphing. We got -1, -1 for substitution. So we should get -1, -1 for elimination. Now, with elimination, we know that we need x and y on the same side. Correct? Now, in our system, we have y equals 4x plus 3 and x plus y equals -2. So that means that we need to get this 4x over here with the y. How would we do that?
Negative 4x.
We would subtract it. So we would have -4x plus y equals 3. And x plus y equals -2. Does everybody see what I did?
Yeah.
I just moved this beautiful little 4x over here and changed it to a negative. Because it has to be the opposite. So I took my 4x and I moved it over there by subtracting. Now, do we have a variable that has the same coefficient?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one? The y. And they're both positive, so do I add or subtract? Subtract. Alright, so everybody subtract. -4 minus 1 gives us what? -5x. Y minus y cancels. And what's 3 minus a -2? 5. Awesome. And if we divide by -5, what does x equal? -1. Plug it into the top. And you get the same answer. Shani, what time do you play today?
6.
Okay.
Are you gonna come?
Yeah, I'm going.
I'm doing senior night too. Senior night. That's what JR told us. He said that you said that you were trying to call our games.
Yeah.
Oh.
I liked it. He's so excited about me coming that he's telling people. Alright, so we got -1, -1 for everything. We proved it. Now, does everybody understand how they're going to do the next 2 pages? You're going to do the same thing for infinite, and you're going to do the same thing for no. Okay? You can work together in your group. Take 5 minutes on each. It shouldn't take you more than that. Maybe a little longer, but I want it done before the end of the period so we can talk about tonight. Ready, set, go. Now we're on no solutions. That'll be 40B. We're going to work on that. It's your next LTF page that I gave y'all. It's in your packet. It says solving systems of linear equations. It looks like this.
You want us to do 1 through 9?
Yes. 1 through 8. Not 9.
Is that homework or what we're doing when we finish?
What you do when you're finished?
Oh, just now?
Nope. But you should keep working on 1, no, and infinite if you're not done. And then you have to find the area of this little triangle. And you guys should know how to find the area of a triangle. How do you find the area of a triangle?
I remember memorizing these formulas last year, but
It's
oh
like
yeah,
B.
A plus B.
No, 1/2.
What?
1/2 times B times H.
Yeah, that's it. 1/2 times B.
I got
Point
it.
and point.
Oh, yeah.
Caroline, you get a point.
I remember, the friend made us, memorize all of them. I don't remember, like the whole test.
Alright, so once you finish with 1, no, and infinite, that's what you're moving on to. So let's go.